Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. One common mistake is going to destroy your brakes, not just the brake calipers but the brake levers as well. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Overall Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a bicycle with hydraulic brakes like the ones we have here, Shimano or Magura, Tektro, whatever they are, guys. If you have one of those hydraulic brakes, you wonder, can I use brake fluid in those brakes? What will happen? Now, stay with us guys, you'll be surprised. We'll explain why you may not use that, what will happen, and what else you can use if you don't have actually approved brake fluid for your bicycle. So before we guys start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Here in the garage we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every single car we get here at the garage. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Now guys, we take engines apart, transmissions, we do body work, engine codes, fixing lights, all that stuff. So if you need help with anything, or if you need to buy cheap parts, tools, not just for your car but bicycle as well, check out guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, now many people ask us, can you use brake fluid instead of the mineral oil? Especially during the COVID era where there was limited supply of materials, many people messed up their brakes because they used brake fluid, and that's what happened to this one as well. Now I want to show you, those are the seals guys. Those seals almost doubled in size because they were exposed to brake fluid. So those are not resistant to brake fluid, and as a result they will expand. What will happen? The brake will start feeling non-responsive, it will not return. It can be dragging as well, it can be malfunctioning, practically not working at all. It can cause internal seal leaking that can cause them to practically, guys, okay, malfunction too. So definitely guys, okay, definitely use only approved oil. The mineral oil, it's not brake fluid. The funny thing is actually that oil guys, it's more like of a hydraulic fluid. So always use the original one, but if you end up not having one, okay, your best bet will be thin hydraulic fluid instead of brake fluid, because you will break, okay, you will practically destroy your seals. If you want to see how to rebuild a Shimano XT brake caliper and brake lever, we'll have the video that will teach you guys how to do that step by step. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.